in the React Native project. So it will be good for the new React Native developer how to create the React Native project and how to start with React Native. So first of all, we start with how to create the React Native project. So I'm opening this one. This is the guidelines how to create the React Native project and what is the prerequisite for the React Native project. For that you require the node, watchman, and React Native command line interface and Xcode. So if you have not installed the node, then you can install using the brew things, brew install node and watchman regarding that. And if you are not installed in homebrew, then you install using the same guidelines given here like this. By using that you can create install the brew on your machine, and after that you can install the node and watchman regarding that, and make sure that your node version is more than 8.3. Okay, after that install Xcode if you are not installer, but I install on my machine. And if you have not installed command CocoaPods, then you can install using this command also. So let's start with how to create the React Native project. For that you have to use the command line, and first of all we are going to the target where we want to create the like this cd and text of React Native. This is my location. So regarding that, just go to that location where we want to create the React Native project. After that, okay, this is completed, and we are going to right now in here and copy and paste on my machine. And so giving the project name here, like I am giving this project name shopping right now. So it will take some time to install all dependency which required for the React Native project, and it will create the platform specific folder Android and iOS. So wait for till that time. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I think it will complete here. Okay, so right now don't want anything. Okay, so our React Native project right now created, so we can go to our folder and take here. So right now open project is open in our Xcode and we run from our terminal. For that command is react native run iOS. So it will take some time and simulator is open on our machine. So first time it will take some time, so we will wait for that. Terminal would ask to access file in our desktop folder. Allow. So right now application will be started launching on your simulator. So application launch on a simulator, it will look like this, and this is the basic application which a React Native gives on starting for how to use the how to create the basic information regarding it. So this is the thanks. Okay, thanks. Okay, we will meet on another videos. Yeah, thanks.